Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to use Wi-Fi map to get free internet. Firstly, open the Wi-Fi map app on your Android device and explore the map to find nearby Wi-Fi hotspots shared by the community. Tap on a hotspot you're interested in, you'll see Wi-Fi name, place name, address or password. Tap the address to open the notification on the hotspot location. Once you're within 30 meters of the hotspot, go to your device's Wi-Fi settings, find the network, and enter the password manually. Ensure your location and Wi-Fi are turned on in your device settings. Use the VPN feature in Wi-Fi map for safer public Wi-Fi browsing, and contribute by adding or updating Wi-Fi info to help others too. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.